Hi guys, I know I haven't been on this channel in a long time, and here's my final return. Today's final return video. Well, I'm not going to be on this channel for long. Oh my god, Christ of Lord. Jesus, okay. So, my hat, and so first thing I'll do, today we're going to be making slime. So first thing you want to do is you want to have something. What the freak? I just washed the salad. It's dirty. So you're going to need something to put your ingredients in and something to mix with. So this slime recipe is going to be a hair slime recipe. So I'm just going to go and get some hair gel and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, so I have my hair gel now. This, I did this recipe before and it worked. So I hope it works today. So you don't really have to mix, well you do. But now what you want to do is go get some salt. Okay, sorry, I took a long time. Anyways, you just want to pour your salt in. I think if you pour a lot of salt, it will be accurate. So now, just mix it good. Okay guys, you better hope this works for you. And now it's kind of mine. I think I put too much, but let's try and save this time by putting more edge control. Got some more edge control. And guys, make sure you put your ingredients back, or if your mom catches you, she'll slap you. But good thing is, my dad is now sleeping and my mom isn't here. And there's hair, apparently, so now just mix. Put a bit more with the edge control. Okay guys, I think I can save the slime. put a little bit more. And guys, you can add like just a little bit of salt. Okay. Mine literally like full tailhouse. Add 2 pinches. If you like, and just start mixing. Ew. Okay, add just a little bit more of salt. And then just, hope this does not deactivate the slime. Cause like, I know this might not. What the freak just failed? Okay, just make that disappear. I just dropped something on the floor. Last time when I made this slime, it was not like this. Okay, so now, if you touch it, it's not slime. So, yeah, don't. So now what you wanna do is just put this up in the freezer. Guys, my birthday was like half day. My birthday was like on October 6th, so happy belated, really birthday to me. And I want to put this in the deep freezer or freezer. Oh my god. It looked like somebody was walking out the room. Okay, you want to put this in the deep freezer or freezer for about 5 minutes. And then, yeah. Once your 5 minutes are up, you just want to sit it for like about, this is a musical shake right now, but you just want to leave it for about 2 or 1 hour if you want, or just leave it for a couple of days or whatever you want. I mean, I'm just suggesting like 1 hour or about 2, because last time mine's turned white and then I touched it and it was like, why is it showing Jake Paul? Because I do not subscribe to him. I think it was my baby cousin because she watches Jake Paul. But anyways, she just watches anything that she sees pop up on the suggestions, and then she probably pressed subscribe. I'm the Logan. I don't like mess with Logan Paul. I mean Jake Paul. I don't know Jake Paul. Then mine's turned white, and when I touched it, it was sticky, stretchy, but it was only a little bit because I accidentally poured it on my notebook. Yeah, I'll get to you in another video when I hope this actually works because my friend told me it didn't, but she didn't say anything about leaving it out for a couple of minutes. So yeah, I think mine's gonna turn white or yours if you add a lot of salt, because salt is white and it might like activate but still turn white because of the salt you put in. If you put a lot